Hello, in front of me I've got WUCHANG. In this video I'll tell you how to spend bamboo shout. While playing the game, in certain locations you can find little bamboo running from you. You have to find it, then you have to run after it and strike it. Otherwise it will hide under the ground and you will have to come back later to get him. One of his appearances is right here. He will come from here, run here, and hide here. Let's go to equipment, inventory, and here we've got the bamboo shoot. Hand over to the panda in exchange for products. The panda is located in this cave. Thanks to panda we can buy armors, items, materials, valuables, weapons, pendants, spells, benedictions, temper stone needles. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.